What it takes to become a senior interior designer is a lot of hard work, people communication skills, and also mentoring from your seniors. 10 years ago, CUD had organized a career fair where I had met the director of APID. I had asked her for an internship like outright, and I ended up getting it. But that internship also landed me the opportunity to meet the top 20 interior designers in Dubai. That's when I had met my now boss, Carla. When you begin, I was working on a lot of meeting with the suppliers, sample libraries, FF&E and finishes, also reviewing drawing packages and assisting my seniors with working on a smaller design space. But now it's more like leading the whole project, meeting with the clients, mentoring interns and juniors. I feel like you need to be versatile to be an interior designer. So you need to get all of the technical skills from your university. But when you join the industry, you need to have your people skills and be versatile with your managerial skills. Interior design is more than just design skills and technical skills. It actually helps people lead a better life through the experience that we create.